Hello, viewers. I am going to share my preparation over chartered accountancy. Cost accounting definition. Cost accounting is defined as the process of accounting for cost. Cost is nothing but the expenses incurred for production of the goods. The first step, we are recording the expenses incurred for particular product. Second thing, we have to analysis on what basis we are going to calculate the particular cost. Then third step, we are preparing the periodical statement through which we can able to know the cost of a particular product and also able to control the cost of a product for a future period. Objectives of cost accounting. First point, ascertainment of cost. For ascertaining the cost of a product, there will be three process. First one, accumulation. Second thing, assignment. Third one, ascertainment. Accumulation means collection of the expenses incurred during the process of the manufacturing a product. Expenses like labor, raw materials, and overhead expenses, these all to be added together. Second one, assignment means allocation of expenses to a particular cost object. Example, electricity bill. It is common to all the departments, but it has to be allocated based on their consumption. Third one, ascertainment of cost means dividing the total cost by total number of units, we can able to get expenses per unit. Second point, determination of selling price and profitability. To determine the selling price of a product, we need to consider the external factors like government policies, demand and supply, consumer buying behavior, and also the expenses incurred for manufacturing a product. That is able to find out by implementing the cost accounting system. Through cost accounting system, we can able to measure the expenses incurred for particular product. Based on that, we can able to fix the selling price of a particular product. Third point, cost control. To control the cost, we need to follow some steps. First thing, determination of predetermined standard or result. That is, what is the standard to be achieved in future is to be determined in advance by the organization. Second thing, measurement of actual performance. What is actually happened in the company is to be measured. Third one, comparison of actual performance with set standard or target. We are comparing the actual result with predetermined result. Last one, analysis of variance and action. While comparing the actual result with set standard, we can able to find out the variance. If there is variance means what is the action to be taken in future is to be decided by the organization. Fourth point, cost reduction. It is an important element for the management to fix the low selling price of a product. Thereby, they can increase their sale of a product. For that, they need to take some actions. First one, they have to analyze value added activities and non value added activities. Value added means activities which gives beneficial to the organization. This has to be increased in the future period. Second thing, non value added activity means which gives low benefit to the organization, which need to be reduced in the future period. Second thing, conducting continuous research and study. Regularly they have to analyze what is actually happen in the organization. Thereby they can easily control the cost of a product in a future period. Difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. First one, objective. In financial accounting, financial performance of a company can be able to known with the help of financial statements, that is assets and liabilities. In case of cost accounting, cost of a particular product can be easily identified by preparing cost sheet. Second one, nature. Financial accounting used to record, present, and interpret the transactions in the money value. In case of cost accounting, costs are record, present, and interpreted in a significant manner. Third one, recording of data. Only historical data is recorded in the financial account. But in case of cost accounting, both historical cost and predetermined cost are considered. Predetermined cost means future cost which is used to control the cost of a product in future period. Fourth point, users of information. Who are the users of the information in the financial accounting? Shareholders, creditors, financial analysts, and government and its agencies. Whereas in cost accounting, internal members of the organization used that. Fifth one, analysis of cost and profit. In financial accounting, profit and loss of an organization can be able to known by the company at the end of the accounting period by preparing the profit and loss account. In cost accounting, cost details for each cost object can be identified. Sixth one, time period. Financial statements are prepared in the financial accounting for an 1 year. But in case of cost accounting, whenever need arises, the company can prepare reports and statements. We will see further topics in next videos. If you like this video, click like button and also subscribe button. Don't forget to click bell button to receive regular notification. Thank you for watching.